Akshita from grade 7A from Mount Litra G Senior Secondary School. I am going to explain about biotic and abiotic. Biotic means living things within an ecosystem such as plants, animals and bacteria. Abiotic means non-living things components such as water, soil and atmosphere. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Varun Karthik from grade 7. I am going to tell about biotic and abiotic. Biotic means living organism. Abiotic means non-living organism. Let's see the example. Plant is a living organism because living are things that can grow, reproduce, produce and use energy, etc. And plants are definitely living, so plants are always considered biotic factor. Let me see abiotic example. Water is a non-living organism because it is not currently alive. So water is abiotic factor. Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Poomali Nachiyar, grade 7, Mount Literacy School, Sivaganga. Today I am going to say about biotic and abiotic. This is biotic. Biotic means the ones which have life, like human beings, plants, trees, animals. These are biotic. Abiotic means these things are abiotic. Abiotic means the ones which don't have life, that are called abiotic, like chair, files, books, table. These are called abiotic. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Morning to all. My name is Kevin Williams, studying 7th standard in Mount Literacy School. Today I am going to talk about my social activity, biotic and abiotic. Biotic, the living organism, example trees, human beings and animals. Abiotic means non-living elements, example toys, land and other things, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am Kritika Sri from Mount Literacy School grade 7. Today I am going to talk about difference between biotic and abiotic. Biotic means living organisms, example plants, tree, animals, human beings, etc. And this is a plant. This is also biotic. Abiotic means non-living elements, example chair, table, etc. And this is a key. This is also a abiotic. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi friends, I am Darun Raj from grade 7 in Mount Litra G Senior Secondary School, Sivaganga. I am going to tell about biotic, abiotic components. Biotic means living things. Abiotic means non-living things. Biotic means all resources which are updated from the biosphere and have life are called biotic components. Example, forest, livestock, human beings are all examples of biotic components. Coal, fossil fuels. All those resources which are composed of non-living things are called abiotic components. Example, rain, rocks, soil, metals are all abiotic components. And biotic example.
Good evening to everyone. I am Marthana, studying grade 7 in Mount Literacy School, Sivaganga. Today I say about biotic and abiotic elements. Now I say about interaction between abiotic and biotic. The physical and biological elements of environment are dynamic in nature. The sun is the major source of energy. All changes in the abiotic environment are powered by solar energy. The circulation of air and water brings about changes in climate conditions in different seasons. These climate changes further affect biotic elements. All plants and animals depend on an abiotic.
My name is Anna Minesh. I am studying grade 7 in Mount Literacy School, Sivangai. Today I am going to tell about biotic and abiotic. Biotic means living things. Example, plant. Abiotic means non-living things. Example, a pen. Thank you.
Sun's energy to make or produce food and grow larger. Consumers eat producers and or other animals for energy. Same consumers may eat decomposers. Decomposers are organisms that break down dead materials. Both biotic and abiotic is soil.